Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to online classes. This is Kiran Sir's voice from Vassalabhai Vanwadi School of Scholars. In last session, we discussed about the January night. In the first part, we discussed about the Halku and Munni. And regarding that, the landlords wanted to money, but Halku want to purchase a blanket for the cold. So in that situation, Munni gave the money to the Halku. Still that he is having a burden of his poverty. गरीबी के कारण उसका जो बर्डन आया था उसके लिए वो खुद को कोस रहा था. नाउ वी स्टार्टिंग द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस लेसन. ओके, बी रेडी. ओपन पेज नंबर 28. Second part. A dark January night. In the sky, even the stars seem to be shivering. So, actually, the Halku want to give in form regarding that in the January month, and in January month having a so much cold. So, this is the stars seem to be shivering, means स्टार को भी अब ठंड लगने लगी है, इतनी जोरों की ठंडी वहाँ पे थी. At the edge of his field, underneath a shelter of cane leaves, Halku lay on the bamboo cot, wrapped up in his old shawl, shivering. So, according to that, and last Halku went to the field, and here he made a one cot using the sugarcane leaves, and after that he made a one cot using the bamboo and wrap up in his old shawl, और उसके ऊपर अपनी शॉल खुद के ऊपर उन्होंने कवर की थी. ओके, wrap means कवर करना. Underneath the cot, his friend Jabra the dog was whimpering with his muzzle pressed into his belly. And underneath the cot, so in the first part we discuss only the Munni and Jabra. Munni and Halku. But in the second part we discuss about the third member of this story, Jabra. Jabra the dog. So underneath the cot is friend Jabra the dog was whimpering. Whimpering means sound of cry, रोने जैसे आवाज़ करना या रोना. With his muzzle press into his belly. Muzzle press means whole part on the face, जिसे हम जबड़ा भी बोल सकते हैं, वाइल्ड जानवरों का जबड़ा. So underneath the cot, his friend Jabra the dog was whimpering with his muzzle press into his belly. And according to that, under the cot of Halku, Jabra was sleeping there and whimpering, रोने जैसी आवाज़ उसके कॉट के नीचे वो कर रहा था. Neither one of them was able to sleep. Not the Halku was going to sleep and nor the Jabra, because of the whimpering of the Jabra. Halku curled up and said, चिल्लाया और बोला, कोल्ड जबरा, डिड नॉट आई टेल यू, कितनी ठंडी है जबरा, मैंने आपको कहा था ना. इन द हाउस यू कुड लाई इन द पेडी स्ट्रॉ. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, हल्कू मेकिंग कन्वर्सेशन विद जबरा, एंड हल्कू सेड दैट, आई सेड यू ऑलरेडी, इफ यू स्टे एट होम यू कैन स्लीप एंड यू कैन लाई इन द पेडी स्ट्रॉ. पेडी स्ट्रॉ के ऊपर आप घर में सो सकते थे. सो व्हाई डिड यू केम आउट हियर, तुम मेरे साथ क्यों आए. नाउ यू विल हैव टू बियर द कोल्ड. इफ कम यू हैव टू बियर द कोल्ड. आपको ठंड भी सहन करनी पड़ेगी. हल्कू सेड टू द जबरा, यू थॉट आई वॉज कमिंग आउट हियर to eat puris and sweets, and you came running on behind of me. Actually, Halku talking to the Jabra and saying that if you stay home you can save. You feel that I'm going to eat puris and sweets, so that's why you came later me. Now you can moan all you want. Now you can moan all you want. So Jabra want to express his feeling with whimpering. But here Halku give the suggestion that if you stay home, this is safe for you, and you come with me. Now you can moan all you want. Now you can moan. Moan means utter expression. चिल्लाओ. अभी कितना चिल्लाना है, कितना जितना चिल्लाना है जितना आप चिल्ला सकते हो अंडर द कॉट. This paragraph only discusses about the conversation between the Halku and Jabra. Jabra wag his tail without getting up. वैग करना मैंने मूव करना, हिलाना. Protected his whimpering into a long yarn and was silent. What is this? Is the regarding the Jabra. Jabra wag his tail, अपने अपनी पूँछ हिलाई. इन लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन में उन्होंने रोने जैसी आवाज़ की, लॉन्ग एन किए एंड वो साइलेंट बन गया. दिस इज द रिगार्डिंग द जबरा डॉग. हल्कू रीच आउट हिज हैंड एंड पैटेड जबरा कोल्ड बैक. फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑन स्टॉप कमिंग विथ मी और द कोल्ड विल गेट यू. यू विल गेट थ्रू द नाइट समहाउ. एक्चुअली जबरा डिस्कसिंग टू द Halku discussing to the Jabra, and he giving the suggestion not to come with me. This is the reward you get for farming. This is the reward you get for farming, because this is the cold day. This is the January night, so that's why cold having a much. And regarding that, you feel the very cold, and this is the reward for you. Halku said to the Jabra. While we do the work hard, somebody else get the joy of it. While we do the work hard, somebody else get the joy of it. If you do the hard work here, if we do the hard work here, so anyone, third person, anyone can get the joy of it. हम लोग यहाँ पर रात गुजार रहे हैं ठंड में, इसका बेनिफिट किसी तीसरे इंसान को भी मिल सकता है या मिलेगा. Jabra look at him with eyes overflowing with love. प्यार भरी नज़र से जबरा हल्कू की तरफ देखने लगा. You have to put up with just one more cold night. We have to put up with just one more cold night. Tomorrow I will spread some straw. You won't feel the cold. And Jabra, actually, Halku said to the Jabra, today this is a very cold. Spend a whole night with bare streams, and actually I will manage tomorrow for you, because I spreading there some paddy straw. After that you won't feel the cold. आप फिर वो तुझे ठंडी नहीं लगेगी. इस तरह से हल्कू said to the Jabra. So students, till here today we stop, and next remaining part we discuss about in a next period. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.